How to make $10,000 plus owning an Instagram theme page in 30 days. This is going to be a crash course breaking it down from A to Z so you know exactly what to do so you can start making money ASAP. Before we get started, what is an Instagram theme page? An Instagram theme page is a faceless page that posts specific content for a specific group of people. So think of the Shade Room, Spiritual Word, Hollywood Unlocked, World Star. These are all Instagram theme pages because we don't know who's the face behind these accounts.
His face.
And what a lot of people don't know is that's how these pages make money. Simply by building up an audience and literally offering advertising services to people like you and I to promote or post on their platform. But how do I get on an Instagram theme page? Like how do I get one? Right? So there are two ways to obtain an Instagram theme page. The first way to obtain one is to create one from scratch. The other way is to obtain one outright and purchase one. I recommend the latter. I 110% recommend just purchasing an Instagram theme page, but you definitely can build one. What I will say, a few cons to building an Instagram theme page is it takes a pretty long time to build one from scratch if you don't know how to properly grow it. Secondly, it takes a lot of consistency. I'm talking posting 3 to 5 times per day. And the reason why a lot of people typically start creating theme pages from scratch and then they end up giving up is because you're posting 3 to 5 times per day, sometimes for months and months straight, and you're not seeing any money come in because this is you building up the page. On the other end of the stick, you can just buy one that's already built up to, let's say, 50,000 followers, and you can start making money as soon as day one. So that's why I 100% recommend the latter and just purchasing one outright if you can, simply because you save a lot of time and you can start making money as soon as day one. So step-by-step guide on purchasing your first Instagram theme page. Step 1, reaching out to pages. There isn't a marketplace to go and buy one. So what you do is you reach out to 10 to 15 of them per day and you ask this one question. Hey, would you be willing to sell your page for the right price? This is you literally going out to each and every one of these pages, pulling out your phone and clicking send message on every single one. You're copying and pasting this message. Hey, would you be willing to sell your page for the right price? Sometimes people may not get back to you. It's the nature of the game, right? But this is the number one way to actually go out there and find people who are willing to sell their pages. Some will reply, others won't. Page must-haves. 1, majority of US followers, preferably over 70%, should be in the US. And what I mean by that is when you go to their country insights, it should say at least 70% of their followers are from the US. Because if it's lower than that, what that tells me is the quality of their followers aren't that high.
And not a good sign.
And the way you get this information prior to purchasing the page is you simply DM the page and ask them after they get back to you, hey, could you send me the country demographics? And when they send you the country demographics there, you'll be able to see where majority of their audience is. Second thing, an engagement rate of 4% plus. So the reason why we look for an engagement rate, and for those of you who don't know, an engagement rate basically tells us how engaging are their followers, right? And we typically look for a 4% plus because the industry average is around 1%, but we want to go above that. Because if we're going to be offering promos to people, we want their promos to be effective. How can you tell somebody's promos or posts on your account is going to be effective on your theme page? Is if people are actually engaging. So the way that you find engagement rate is by going to this website called socialblade.com. So you go to socialblade.com. Basically, this is how it would load up. And then you'll go right here to the top right. You'll click this. You'll click Instagram. And then what you'll do is you'll type in Instagram, right? So I'm not signed in right now, but then engagement rate will pop up literally right there. So next thing, can't have more than 10% of its followers based in India. And what this tells me is at one point that they bought followers. Now, let me be very crystal clear. There's nothing wrong with India.
India, totally. Love India.
It's simply not a buying country. It's not. A majority of bots that you see on Instagram are actually from India, right? And last but certainly not least, making sure the page receives real comments and engagement. These are personal benchmarks that I use when scouting for potential pages. And I also want to add on to that last point by saying, just because you see a page have fake comments, have bot comments, doesn't necessarily mean it's a bad page. Because we're in a day and age right now where every single page, no matter how big or small you are, you're going to have bot comments. But make sure that the page receives some real comments and engagement on some of their better posts. So the purchase process, always go through escrow.com. When purchasing an Instagram theme page, escrow allows you to release the funds once you fully obtain all credentials, right? Things to do also once you obtain the account, make sure that you obtain the original account email login details. What I mean by that is get the email account login details for when the page was created. So for example, if somebody makes an account and it's called Black Wall Street, for example, and when they first sign up for their account, the username for the email for the account is blackwallstreet@gmail.com. As the page goes and grows, they end up changing their username for whatever reason. They change their email for whatever reason. Even though they change their username and their email and all that good stuff, you want to make sure that you get the original account email login details, right? So what you do, the way that you find this is literally by going to Instagram on your phone, going to settings, and I believe it's data and privacy, and it should say view all emails that were associated to this account. Get the email that's all the way at the bottom of the list, because what this tells me is that's the original email that this account was created with. And in case you're wondering why is this so important, is because if you were to go through this purchase process, give them everything, and they gave you the account, whatever, they can go back to Instagram and say, hey, my account was hacked.
It is they who stole it from me.
And the only way that Instagram is going to be able to validate and verify that the account was hacked or not is by emailing the very first email the account was made with. That's the only way, because that tells you right there who the original owner really is. So by us getting this information, guess what? If they were to ever try to pull that card, we have access to that email. They don't have access to it. This goes without saying. Change the password, change phone number, turn on two-factor authorization. Then and only then can you release the funds. So we're getting into the meat of this crash course, but 3 ways to make money with an Instagram theme page. So way number 1, paid promos. This is where you get paid for posting/promoting other people's content on your page. When starting out, you can use jotform.com to create a form that allows people to pay for promos. There's an example of Jotform, and I put it up here really quick so you guys can see it as well. This is an example of a Instagram theme page, and this is their Jotform, right? If you want to come, you want to pay for promo for @BlackBillionaire, you go here, you fill out this information, and at the bottom, you tell them, hey, do you want an IG Reels? It's going to cost $125, or you want a 24-hour post feed, right? Whatever you may want or whatever the customer may want. The reason I love Jotform so much is because everything is right here, meaning if somebody wants to pay for a promo on your page, you just send them the link or you leave the link in your bio, and you don't have to talk to them. They just book it, you get paid, and that's that. So here's an example of a paid promo. This is my guy, Lucine Donzo, from grandma seizures to army officer, educator, author, and serial entrepreneur. And then you see the caption right here. He was selling something in the end, but this is literally an example of a paid promo. And what I need you guys to understand is people pay for promos all the time on the biggest of biggest pages, on Hollywood Unlocked, Shade Room, Spiritual. Every single day people are paying for promos because they understand that they have an audience that the consumer doesn't have. So they're literally going to take advantage of it and then bring all of their followers back home to them. And way number 2 to make money with an Instagram theme page is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you promote somebody's product or service on your platform and you make a percentage of each sale you help generate. A website you can use for this is ClickBank. It may take a little second to load because I know ClickBank is a little funny. And then you go to affiliate marketplace and then you see all these products, right? And the way that you can make money with this is, let's say you were to, by gravity score, boom. Let's say you were to want to promote this product right here. You would literally click promote and it will give you the link. And this is exactly what it looks like, in case you were wondering what this product looks like. And in essence, the way that you would make money is every single post that you post on your Instagram theme page, you'll lead them to the link in your bio, and the link in the bio will be this link, whatever the affiliate product is. Every sale I get for this product, they'll pay me $18, $48, $11, $13, $51, so on and so forth. So that's another way that you can make money with an Instagram theme page, simply having an audience and leading them to this product. Way number 3, renting out link in your bio space. This is when you charge people an agreed upon monthly fee. In exchange, you keep their link in your bio. The way that people benefit from this is having the opportunity to get traffic to their business simply by adding a link to a heavy traffic area. For example, I'm gonna use Black Billionaire for this example once again, but look at this. They have all these links. And in essence, what you would do is you would pay for space in their links. So look right here, the second one, join my tax-free challenge. This is my guy, Carter. He literally paid this page, Black Billionaire, whoever owns it, for space in their bio. And that's what you can do as well. Rent out the link in bio space. You can have people pay you for that space because thousands of people click that. If Black Billionaire has 300,000 followers, like they're getting pretty good engagement on their post, imagine how many people are clicking this. You can tell people, hey, I'll put your link in my bio for $500 a month. You do absolutely nothing. You just keep it there. That's another way that you can make money with an Instagram theme page. As you can see, I put it right here. But my personal favorite, if I'm being honest with you, is the first way, which is paid promos. I think that's the best way by far. And we'll dig a little bit deeper later on inside this crash course. But that is definitely my favorite. And if there's one way that you want to focus on making money with an Instagram theme page, it will be paid promos. So 3 tips to grow your page fast. Secret number 1, turning your posts into videos. This hack helped me gain 50,000 followers in 30 days for one of my accounts. This is when you turn a regular photo into a 1 to 5 second video and you post it as a reel. The reason it works so well is because it tricks the Instagram algorithm into thinking someone is watching your video 5 to 10 times. In reality, they aren't.
Get the fuck out of here.
So if I were to go here and I were to go to their reels, look, they do it right here. So they turn these are just quotes, but they turn it into a video. And in essence, this is a 1 second video. So literally, as I'm speaking right now, this video is being repeated automatically. They just got an average watch percentage of 700%. Because think about it, everybody that watches this video, they're not realizing, but they're watching it 7, 8, 9, 10 times. And the reason this tricks the Instagram algorithm is because look at it from Instagram's standpoint. What they see is, hey, the average percentage watched of this video is higher than 100%. It's like 500, 600, 700%. Because every time you watch it, it's going up, it's going up, it's going up. That's why this works.
Which isn't cheating because...
So well, it just tricks the Instagram algorithm. That's one of the hacks that you can use to grow your page really fast. Tip, the higher your average watch time on any given video posted on Instagram, the more Instagram will push your content to the top of its algorithm. So secret number 2, posting 3 to 5 high engagement posts per day. So the key to growing super fast with an Instagram theme page is consistency. But not only that, also making sure that you're posting high engaging content. The way you go about posting high engagement content is actually pretty simple. Look up 3 to 5 pages in your niche and literally see what posts went viral for them, current and past, then repost it on your page. Tip: if it went viral for them, there's a good chance it'll go viral for you. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Something I tell people all the time is going viral is predictable. A lot of times people think going viral is random, but it's actually science behind it. Me and you may not know why something did so good the way that it did, but guess what? It did. So why not we just take that same content we posted on our page, give credit to its original owner, and that be that. It's a win for everybody. Secret number 3, don't water your page with promos just for money. So this is an important one. Do not water your page down with promos for the money. A lot of times people will get in this game and post 3 to 5 promos per day just because people are paying. It's a super red flag. The reason you don't want to do this is because you're going to start losing an alarming amount of followers after some time. People don't follow you to see ads 24/7. They follow you to see the kind of content you post. Tip: keep it to 2 promos per day max if you still want to maximize how much you can make while keeping your page healthy, alive, and continuously growing. So the fastest way to $10,000 in 30 days with an Instagram theme page. Number 1, post 3 to 5 times per day. The reason this is one of the ways is because the more people see you, the more they'll remember that you offer paid promos for your page. You'd be surprised. There's people that follow your page because they're naturally fans of the account. And then there's also going to be business owners that follow your page because they know that they want promos, right? The more that you post, the more that they see you, the more that they see you, the more that they remember, hey, I want to grow my audience as well. Number 2, posting your story every 3 days, letting them know that you offer promos. This reminds people that you like to grow their business and that they can grow it if they get a promo on your page. So another example, if I were to go to Hollywood Unlocked, you would see, actually not Hollywood Unlocked, let's go to Spiritual World. I think they have it, Spiritual. Look right here. Are you a business owner, big or small, music artist, promoter, content creator, etc.? Want to be featured on Spiritual Words? Swipe left for more details. Literally, y'all, they are telling y'all to do promos with them. And guess what? Closed mouths don't get fed. Let people know that you do promos. So post your story every 3 days and remind people that, hey, you offer promos. Even the biggest pages you follow are doing this. Number 3, let people know that you offer monthly packages. This one was a game changer for me personally. This has been the number 1 reason as to how I am able to continuously stay booked. Whenever people reach out for a single promo, I let them know, hey, we also offer monthly packages. If you're serious about growing your brand or business while saving a lot of money, then you proceed to give them a bulk discount, all right? That is one strategy that I definitely would write down because that one is literally the reason why I'm staying above $10,000 plus per month with one of my Instagram theme pages. Number 4, keep their best interests in mind. So when you start running promos consistently, you'll start to get a good idea as to what is going to do really good versus what is going to do really bad. If you want people to keep coming back again and again, keep their best interests at heart by letting them know, hey, this promo may not do good because for whatever reason, blank. Nobody really talks about this, but if you think about it, a happy customer equals a returning customer. At the end of the day, the reason why you want everybody's promo to do good is because if it does good, they get money, they get followers, they get engagement. Guess what? They're going to come right back and back and back, right? A repeat customer is the best kind of customer you can get without having to deal with word of mouth or any of that. And it's even better because the happier they are, the more clients they're going to bring to you. So this is super, super important. Please don't water your page down with ads. I've seen so many pages in the past fail, literally fail, just because they started making a little bit of money. They let the money get to their head and they started posting 5, 6, 7 promos per day. This is the number 1 way to kill a page. So that's the end of this crash course. And there you have it, folks.
That's it?
Yeah, that's it. That's it.
Thanks for watching. A complete guide to making passive income with Instagram theme pages. And with this, you should be able to make $10,000 or more a month with the information. Now go forth, choose your niche, and may the algorithm be in your favor.